What's up guys, welcome to Tens of Tech YouTube channel. So today's video is a kind of an interesting. Xiaomi has done it and its new Mi Mix Alpha is almost entirely made of screen. Well, Ice Universe has previously been leaked that the new screen, which is a curved display, has been implemented by Xiaomi, and it has been confirmed today on a Xiaomi event. Xiaomi Mi Mix series has always pushed the boundaries of phone screen and form factor, from the original model that kicked off bezel war to last year's sliding notchless Mi Mix 3. Now, just as we are starting to see waterfall display with extreme curved edges, Xiaomi is taking this to a wild new level with its Mi Mix Alpha. The surround screen on Alpha wraps entirely around the device to the point where it meets the camera module on the other side. The effect of the phone that almost completely made of the screen with status icon like network signal and battery charge level displayed on the side. Pressure sensitive volume buttons are also shown on the side of the phone. Xiaomi is claiming more than 180% screen to body ratio, a stat that no longer makes any sense. The Mi Mix Alpha used Samsung's new 108 megapixel camera sensor, which was co-developed with Xiaomi. As with other recent high-resolution Samsung sensor, pixels are combination into two square for better light sensitivity in low light, which in this case will produce 27 megapixel image. Well, we will have to see how that works in practice, but the 1 by 1.33 inch sensor is usually larger for a phone and should give the Mix Alpha a lot of light gathering capability. There are no need for a selfie camera. You just turn the phone around and use that rear portion of the display as a viewfinder for the 108 megapixel shooter. As for the phone more traditional specs, there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 5G connectivity, 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, 40 watt of wired fast charging, and a 4050 mAh of battery. Xiaomi described the Mix Alpha as a concept smartphone and isn't going to mass production it anytime soon. The phone will go into small scale production this year and go on sale in December for around about $2,800. The original Mi Mix was also given the concept label and released in small quantities, with the Mi Mix 2 following a year later as a more mainstream device. On one hand, this design obviously issues with cost, durability, battery life, accidental touches recognition, privacy, and so on. Seeing this technology which is implementing right now feels that we are going in the right direction, and in the future we will see more and more curved display smartphone in the market from the other mainstream companies just like Samsung and Apple as well. This is a great concept phone which has been developed by Xiaomi, and we will have to look at these accidental touches as well as other things which are currently being not shown in the launch event. So that's all in this video, and if you like this video, consider subscribing, and if you want this type of videos more in the future, consider subscribing my channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.